These are the instructions for the compass rose cuff. We're going to start with a chain 4 and slip stitch to the 4th chain from your hook to form a ring. Round 1 begins with a chain 4, which counts as a double crochet chain 1, and work a double crochet in the ring. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, chain 1. You want to repeat double crochet in the ring, chain 1. We're doing it a total of 7 times. Okay, then we're going to slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 4 to join, and you should have 8 double crochets and 8 chain 1 spaces. Round 2 begins with slip stitching into the 1st chain 1 space, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and work 3 double crochets in that same chain 1 space. Our repeat for this round is 4 double crochets in each chain 1 space around. At the end of the last repeat, slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join, and that completes motif 1. Motif 2 starts with a chain 4, skip the next 2 stitches on the previous motif, and slip stitch in each of the next 3 stitches. So we'll skip the 2, then slip stitch in 1, slip stitch in 2, and slip stitch in 3. Turn our work. And now working in that chain 4 space, work double crochet, chain 1 5 times, and 1 more double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches on the previous motif, and then slip stitch into each of the next 3 stitches on the previous motif. Turn our work, and work 4 double crochets in each of the next 5 chain 1 spaces. Skip the next stitch on the previous motif and slip stitch in the next one. And this is what your work should look like at the end of motif 2. Motif 3, we're going to turn our work and slip stitch in each of the last 9 stitches on the previous motif, which would be 2 now. We're starting motif 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Chain 4. Skip the next 2 stitches and slip stitch in each of the next 3 stitches. Turn your work. Double crochet chain 1 5 times in that chain 4 space. and one more double crochet in the space. Skip the next 2 stitches on the previous motif and slip stitch in each of the next 3 stitches. Turn your work and work 4 double crochets in each of the 5 chain 1 spaces. Skip the next stitch on the previous motif and slip stitch in the next stitch. And that completes motif 3. You want to repeat motif 3 for your desired length. Follow the links in the video description to get all 4 of the free patterns to make the Sea Glass Keepsakes Cuffs, and you can also find links to all of the video tutorials there as well.